My hair is looking a mess, so it's time to take it down. I started already. Lid check. So I'll check back with you later. So if your hair ain't looking like this after you take out your braids and feel like this after you take out your braids, then sis, you ain't doing a protective style. This is the best my hair ever feel after I take down a protective style. The key to a good protective style is deep conditioning your hair before you put it in, and make sure you moisturize. If you're using a jam or a gel when you're braiding your hair, make sure you moisturize your hair and seal it before you put in the braids. And this is three weeks after having my twist in. And look, my scalp is still clean. I could have go another 2 or 3 weeks without having to do my hair. Look at it. My scalp is clean. I just took it out for video purposes because I needed to add some more content to my channel. But look how clean my scalp is. Look how nice and fluffy my twist is. This is the best my hair ever feel after I took down my braids. So the key is make sure you deep condition your hair before you put it in, and moisturize your hair with a moisturizer when you're putting in your braids. And after you take down your hair, you can rock this style. So basically I just detangled each section and twisted it, and this was my hair. It was nice and soft. My hair smelled good. My scalp wasn't itchy or nothing. So make sure you deep condition your hair before your protective style, and you guys will be good.